What's going on, y'all? I know it's been like 2-3 weeks, month maybe. Anyways, ignore that, it doesn't matter. I've been really busy. Been having to save up some money to get some extra stuff for the motor. So while I'm free today, we are going to put on this diffuser right here for the oil, then the pickup tube, and then we're going to do the oil pan. This thing, I wish I would have recorded this. I don't know why I didn't. This thing was solid black. I'm talking about from like top to bottom, it was solid black. And I finally cleaned her up. She looks pretty good, so I'm not complaining. Anyways, we're gonna do that today. And I might try and clean up the intake manifold, but it's pretty bad on the inside. So we'll see on that. But for right now, let's focus on this. Let's get it done. All right, so the oil pickup tube was pretty simple. All it did was have an O-ring. You put the O-ring on there and then tighten it down with this nut. Plain and simple. This deflector, same way. We're just gonna put these these nuts on and just snug them up. And yeah, then we can put on the oil pan.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you.
Next thing to do is make sure the surface is all cleaned up. Gonna put some RTV right here and here. Then we're gonna put the oil pan on, and then we'll be good on that.
'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself.
Now after putting the bead on there, now it's time to put the oil pan on.
In my regrets, I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
Alright, so all the bolts on the oil pan are 18 foot-pounds, but then your two long ones that connect to your rear cover, the two smaller ones, like the M6 bolts, those are 106 inch-pounds, and the rest are 18 foot-pounds. So
In my regrets, I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now. A little stronger now.
now I'm going to go back over these, make sure they're all at 18. Make sure I didn't miss one.
A little stronger.
On the back, don't forget those are 106. Alright, for those who don't know, here is your throttle body. This is a drive-by-wire. I'm not going to use a drive-by-wire. I'm using drive-by cable, so this is going to come off. I'm probably going to end up taking everything off here and cleaning it anyways, because you see it's all in pretty bad shape. So
Cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous.
Just look at all that gunk. That's about how bad that oil pan was.
Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
Yeah, these injectors are probably burnt, honestly. So definitely gonna get some new ones. Finally got this intake manifold cleaned off, y'all. Y'all just don't understand how dirty this thing is. I gotta finish letting it drain out, of course, because I washed it down with water, but looks 30 times better, and then she'll be ready to go on the motor. Y'all just don't know how bad I want to get this thing done. Anyways, after I get that intake on, we're gonna put the water pump on. Got this bad boy right here, and then of course I got to order my AC. Dirty Dingo offers a bracket kit that does the low mount AC, which I want to do because I don't want to have that big ugly AC sitting up top where you can see it. I want everything as hidden as possible. So at first I couldn't get these bolts to go in. They have to go in at an angle. You get them to go in. So you can't just put them straight in. Gotta curve them. Put them in. So on the intake manifold bolts, right here it says step 1 44 inch-pounds, then 89 inch-pounds, and of course they're going to do those in sequence. So anyways, let's get to it. So on the first pass, you're going to do 44 inch-pounds, and you're going to do a cross pattern. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just want to keep crossing them. That way you don't tighten one side up more than the other.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone.
Finally, after you sequence all those, make sure they're all at 44. Then you want to do it in the same pattern, torque them down to 89 inch-pounds, and you're done. So let's do that.
It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, it's so cold outside, I'm alone.
Now, as always, double check, make sure you have them all torqued, and you're good to go. So here we have our steam tube crossover. They actually make a kit that connect all four, because on the back tube they're just a block. This doesn't connect to the back, kind of dumb design, but they make a kit. It's pretty cheap. It's like 130 bucks that connect all four together, and you tap into your water pump, help keeps it cool. But anyways, these torque down to 106 inch-pounds. So
yeah, let's go. I don't wanna break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way to even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side, and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate, and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone.